Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect Windows logins with easy-to-use Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication using YubiKey OTP. In this authentication method, you can use a physical YubiKey security key that automatically enters a one-time OTP code when touched. The YubiKey OTP method combines the convenience of one-time passwords with the high security of a hardware key. I log into my Windows account by entering my Windows Hello PIN. Now Rublon prompts me to authenticate using YubiKey OTP. I insert the key into the computer's USB port and touch the key to confirm the login. And I'm logged into Windows. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including mobile push, SMS link, phone call, email, as well as OTP codes. Enable secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to Rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication.